Hi again from OGS Mechanics and Car Key Solutions workshop. Now today it was quite a distressing situation when I had one of the neighbors coming by in the morning looking for his car in our workshop because he left it outside yesterday evening and today he's gone. This is a Lexus, a keyless. All the keyless vehicles, they are so prone to be stolen nowadays. This particular gentleman was not aware of the problem, and oh my god, he was so distressed. And um, it's surprising that it's so epidemic. However, there are so many people that they don't yet know how easy those cars they can be stolen, and they find themselves in those kind of situation. This gentleman was about to cry, because it's so heartbreaking. Have wake up one morning and realize that your car has gone, and all the things that you had inside, and the impact that it has on your life. I mean, there was that saying that it's not about what they get, it's about what they leave behind, the feeling and the loss of your day really messed up, and all your life going forward, because from now on you have to ring the insurance police and try to find ways to recover the loss. But it's so heartbreaking because it could have been avoided. This particular gentleman was not aware about the theft, and like him, I know there are so many others that they're not aware, and things that are still happening, and only after they realize. So the purpose of this video is to raise awareness, because it does happen. Vehicle security has to be taken seriously. The theft is, I would say, an all-time high nowadays, and is a must. I mean, you get a nice car, don't assume it has the best security on it because it's the newest model. It doesn't have, and it's real target, and it can go like it happened in this situation. So please share this. It's very important, even if we can avoid one person going through the same situation that my neighbor has just came I just went today. It'll be something, but we can make a better impact, and we can save lots of distressing situation like it was the one today. So um, it should be everywhere. If you have a new car, don't assume it has the best security. It has to be improved. Car theft is an all-time high, and you can do more to reduce that.